Okay, proper stuck with this one. Harley Davidson 48 Sportster 1200 2020. I've got a Vance Hines 42385 air cleaner. I've put the throttle body mount on, no problems there. It's locked tight down, the bolts go clean in, so there's no issue, no foul in there. Got a breather hose on either side, and I cannot, with this mount, figure out for the life of me how this is going to align with the bolts. If I try and align the bolts, it pinches the breather hose to the left and it just doesn't come over the mount. You've got two holes in the top here which would suggest it would probably be guided through and come out at the top, but at different widths on the throttle body mount and the mount, the back plate for the air cleaner. So if I line one of them up, the other one's way out. It doesn't work, and then all the bolts are out of line. So I haven't got a clue. This should be a 5-minute job, and it's turned into an hour so far, and I'm pretty pissed off now. Krypton factor moment. It's just not obvious, and I can't figure it out for the life of me. I'll post this up on the forum, or a link to it, see if someone can guide me. I'll call the supplier who supplied the V&H filter in the UK. There you can see it, but it just doesn't line up. The only thing that lines up are the mounting bolts here, the two holes at the top and the two holes on this plate, which you'd think that pipe would go through, but it doesn't anyway. It's extremely tight. Can't get it through. I don't think I'll get it through without damaging. You'd think they'd pop through there on these breather hoses, but no, they don't. There's just no way. If anybody's got any idea, I'd really appreciate it. Some advice and guidance on this one.